stars, welcome back to a new video. Today for you guys I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm super excited because I just got my package in the mail from Pat. I just ripped it open. It's from Pat and I have not looked at any of the clothes yet. Here is all of the stuff that I got. Pat comes in little individually packaged things like this, which is super cute and super slick. I ordered this little set right here, which is so cute. It's perfect for fall, the winter time. It has little leaves on it. The material on this, you guys, literally is super stretchy and it feels very nice. And I also like how they tell you how to wash the clothes and how to care for them afterwards so you don't ruin them. Super cute little hoodie, and on the elbows it has little sleeves. You guys, how cute is this? Literally, I'm dying. This is so cute for the winter time. And again, tells you how to care for it. And look at the little matching sweats. Aww. This is super soft material and pretty thick. That is really cool. I am so excited about because I remember seeing this on the website and thinking it was so cute. It has little reindeers on it and it has a little hood. I love this so much. It looks kind of big, I would say. This one feels a little bit rough, but I think if you were to throw it in the washer it would get a little bit softer. But oh my gosh, the detailing is so cute on this, you guys. I'm a fan of the deers. I think the deers are so cute. Another little jumper, super vibrant. I love it. This one's softer. This one is kind of like the first one but different. I did get another hat, then it just came with the little pants. You guys, they're like little joggers, and look at the cuffs on the bottom. That's so cute. Little top with it. Again, super soft material. And then the last one I ordered, little onesie. The hood is so thick, and look, the hood's camo on the inside, you guys. How cute is this? And then it came with the matching little joggers. Little camo joggers. Love that so much. Assuming all the sizes I got are 3 to 6 months, because I don't see why I'd get anything else. But if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from Pat, now is the time to get it, because obviously I'm uploading on Black Friday, so we have a special coupon code for you guys that will work from today the 29th through December 2nd, and the code will be right here on the screen, and that's NICE23. So go ahead and head on over. I'll have their company linked down below. Check them out. See if you want to buy any Christmas gifts or just anything for your babies. They also have adult pajamas that are matching for Christmas that are so cute that I so want to go and get. And I just want to thank Pat for sending me these clothes. That is so sweet, and I'm so beyond blessed to partner up with them and just share all this with you guys. I am so excited to put him in these clothes because they are so freaking cute. That is going to be all for this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go ahead and hit the little bell to get notified every time I upload. Bye guys.